Hello everyone. So in this we will be discussing about the updated syllabus of NISM Investment Advisor Level 1 exam. I have already uploaded a playlist and many of you were having doubts. You were asking in the comment section that now the syllabus has been updated. So is the playlist which has been uploaded useful or not, because the syllabus has been changed? What to do, how to go about it? So I'll try to give you a brief idea about what is the new updated syllabus and how is that related to already uploaded videos, how what you can gain, what extra efforts you would have to take, and what more topics I would have to cover in this playlist. Okay, so that you will have a proper clarity about your exam and what you have to do regarding it. Okay, so here I have put the updated syllabus in a simple format to make you understand. So now your syllabus has been divided into total of 6 modules and 20 chapters. So previously it was 12 chapters only. Now it has been 20 chapters divided into 6 modules. So your first module is about the personal financial planning, which includes 4 chapters, that is Introduction to Personal Financial Planning, Time Value of Money, Evaluating Financial Position of Clients, and Debt Management and Loans. Your second module is covering Indian financial market, which includes chapter 5 and 6, Introduction to Indian Financial Market and Securities Market Segments. Your third module is covering investment products, which includes your introduction to investments, stocks, fixed income securities, and derivatives. Coming to module 4th, it will be including your chapter 11, 12, and 13, which is mutual funds, portfolio manager, and alternative investment funds. Your module 5 will be including 14, 15, and 16 chapter, which is modern portfolio theory, portfolio construction process, and portfolio performance measurement. So all about related to portfolio management. Now module 6 is totally about the regulatory environment and compliance and ethics. So chapter 17 to 20 is about operational aspects, key regulation, ethical issues, and grievance redress mechanism. Now this is your totally new updated syllabus. Now, if you think that whatever videos has been uploaded in the playlist by me is totally irrelevant because the syllabus has been changed, that's a wrong perception. Because always when you are studying, you do study topic wise. Don't look after the numberings of the chapter, because many a times it happens that NISM these what we call these modules, these exams, they are subject to make changes according to the time, but that doesn't mean the whole syllabus, all the basic knowledge, the basic idea would be alternating or something like that. There is updation, there is addition. There is not what we say that totally irrelevant, the previous one will be totally irrelevant and now there is something new that you have to study. There will be addition of topics, there will be updation of data. Regardless of that, it doesn't mean that the previously uploaded chapters are totally useless. So now I will tell you how you can go about your study and what all chapters are already covered in the playlist and what all would be additional chapters that I will be focusing upon in the coming videos. So let's see. Now, if you can see, this is the total chapters that I have already uploaded in the playlist, where chapter 1 is Introduction to Financial Market and chapter 2 is Securities Market Segment. Now, I'll show you that this chapter 1 and chapter 2 of previous syllabus is now part of module 2. So, you can see chapter 5 and chapter 6, Introduction to Indian Financial Markets, Securities Market Segment. So module 2, chapter number 5 and 6 has been uploaded as chapter 1 and 2. You can see the topic are exactly the same, Introduction to Indian Financial Market and Securities Market Segment. Now then I have uploaded chapter 3, which is about mutual fund. Mutual fund is totally described in an elaborate manner, and if you go through these part 1 and part 2 videos of mutual fund, I don't think anything in addition related to this topic you would have to study. And this topic is still included in your new updated syllabus, which is with the name chapter 11. So module 4 chapter 11 is totally focusing on mutual funds. Coming to chapter 4, which is investment products, you can see that this investment products is now referred under module 3. So just have a focus in the in the updated syllabus. It is now referred as module 3 investment products, where it has been discussed about investment stocks, fixed income securities and derivatives. So all these topic has already been covered, and it is under chapter 4 investment product. So you can see how there is shuffle in the numbering of chapters, but the topic is still included. There is addition of topics which I'll be telling you what all is left and not covered, and what efforts we will have to make to cover those videos. Now coming to chapter 5 investment risk, and in chapter 6 investment return, and again this forms a part of this whole module 3 investment product and module 4 investment through managed portfolio. So your module 3 and module 4 in bits and pieces will be covering this chapter 5 and chapter 6 as well. Coming to chapter 7 concept of financial planning. So you can see now this chapter has been made module 1 personal financial planning. So chapter 1 introduction to personal financial planning, time value of money, evaluating financial position of clients and debt management and loans. Here we are missing on two of the important topics which has now been focused. So chapter 2 time value of money has been included in the chapters that I have uploaded in the playlist, but I'm thinking that I'll be making a separate video on this chapter 2 time value of money, because this would be now in focus. It has been a totally new chapter rather than being a part of the chapter. So I'll be uploading one more video which would be totally focused on time value of money. And then this chapter 4, which is debt management and loans, this is not covered in the present uploaded playlist by me. So this chapter 4, debt management and loans, I'll request you that if you are having your exams nearby, you please study this chapter 4, take references or through any websites or wherever you can. You try to study this chapter by your own, because it has not been covered. And by my side, I will try to make a video on this chapter, but I can't assure like by what time. But I'll surely cover this video in the coming weeks. So this time value of money and debt management and loans will be covered by me, and I'll be uploading separate videos focusing on these two topics. I'll not be mentioning numbers this time. I'll just be uploading videos topic wise so that you don't have any confusion and you can gain as much knowledge as will be required for your exam. Now coming to chapter 8 asset allocation and investment strategies. Again, this would be a part of your module 3 and 4, which focuses on investment. Chapter 9, 10 and 11, which is about insurance planning, retirement planning and estate planning. This is now covered under your module 1 of personal financial planning. So personal financial planning now covers, it has not been mentioned as a separate chapters, but it has now been mentioned as a part of personal financial planning. So these chapters would be helpful if you are targeting on your preparation for module 1. So you can go through these chapters. Now chapter 12, which is regulatory environment, is now a part of our module 6 operations, regulatory environment, compliance and ethics. One more thing is that I'll be uploading a few more videos related to ethical issues, because that has been totally uncovered in the present playlist. So I'll be uploading a video representing this ethical issues, and grievance redress mechanism has been covered but in parts in different videos. So I'll touch upon it. I'll see that if I can help you out with a separate topic on this. Portfolio management, again I'll be adding one more video focusing on this portfolio management thing. So this is the whole plan. The whole idea is whatever videos has been right now uploaded in the playlist, you please go through those videos. That is not irrelevant in any way. It would be helpful for you for your exam purpose. The main thing that has been now in the updated syllabus is that more additions of the topics has been made. So for that reason, now onwards, I'll be uploading some more videos topic wise, which would help you focus upon the topics that has not been covered. So for example, time value of money, debt management and loans. I'll be covering ethical issues, grievance redress mechanism, portfolio management. So these 5 to 6 topics I'll be uploading in addition to the present playlist. So go through present playlist. I'll be uploading more topics. Go through those also. I'm sure it would be helpful for your exam, and I hope this brings you a little clarity about this now. And all the best, and try going through all the videos. I hope these videos would be supportive for you. Thank you so much for watching.